Hello, my name is Bob Foster, and we're going to show you the steps it takes to move 16 partitions from one server to two other servers using the HMC GUI versus using the PowerVM LPM SRR Automation tool. As you'll see here, it takes 192 clicks on the HMC GUI to move these 16 LPARS and only 5 clicks to move these 16 LPARS from the LPM Automation tool. Trying to figure out where all the partitions can be moved and how they can fit onto your frames is tedious and requires spreadsheets and such. The HMC GUI would take close to 400 clicks for the 16 LPARs in this example. The PowerVM LPM Automation tool does this in less than 10 clicks. This is a recording of me moving 16 partitions through the HMC GUI, and on the right is me moving the same 16 partitions from the LPM Automation tool. It just takes 5 clicks from the LPM Automation tool to move all the partitions. In fact, you can move as many partitions as you want with just 5 clicks. These videos are synced, and you can see that I'm almost finished starting all the moves from the LPM Automation tool. We are done now with the LPM Automation tool. We don't do any more clicks there. We just watch them move. From the HMC GUI, for each partition we have to move, we have to do 9 clicks to move it. At the end of the move, we'll do another 3 clicks to close it out. So we're clicking as quick as we can over there in real time to get these all these LPARs moved into the appropriate servers. If you want to use advanced features during the LPM move, the HMC GUI allows you to do that. That requires more clicks. In this simple case, we are not using any advanced features. If you want to use advanced features with the LPM Automation tool, they are already preset in there, and you don't have to click anymore to do the moves. We've done about 20 clicks so far on the HMC GUI. We have 192 total clicks to do. And as you can see on the bottom right, that we're already doing movements in the LPM Automation tool. So we just will watch the bottom right as things progress. While we are watching the clicks in the HMC GUI, let me tell you a little bit about the LPM Automation tool. It's in over 300 customers worldwide. It allows you to move LPARs from one frame to multiple destination frames. It will help do the plans for you automatically to figure out where all the LPARs can fit across multiple frames. So it makes it very easy to evacuate a frame to do firmware maintenance or VOS maintenance. Now let's look at the automation tool and see what's going on there. Like I said, we are now just watching the progress of LPARs being moved. There are 8 LPARs being moved right now, and we are updating the screen every 10 seconds to see how fast things are moving and to watch the progress of that. Now let's fast forward through 8 minutes of clicking on the HMC GUI, and we'll be checking the progress. Another feature that customers love about the LPM Automation tool is that after you move all the LPARs away, it only takes 5 clicks to move all the LPARs back from all the different servers you move them to. And the partitions get put back on the original server in the exact same configuration they had before they were LPM'd away. Now let's switch over to the LPM Automation tool and check on its status page to see if we're about done. As you can see, we're about done. 15 of the 16 partitions have been moved successfully. The LPM Automation tool gives you a one-shot screen to view all your LPMs and see what their status is, which is very nice for long LPM operations. When you have to return the partitions after maintenance, it'll take 192 clicks through the HMC GUI. It'll take 5 clicks through the LPM Automation tool. The LPM Automation tool will restore all your partitions back to their original configurations of mappings and stuff. The HMC GUI does not have that feature, and you will probably lose the configurations you had before, especially for complicated environments. As I mentioned before, these videos are synced, and so now we go back and we see on the HMC we're still clicking through the different LPARS to move. I've done it fast forward or fast speed so that we don't have to sit through a lot more clicks. We'll let this keep on clicking through for a few minutes. Now we're actually starting to close the windows of all the LPM operations. So after the 9 clicks to start an LPM operation, you'll need 3 more clicks per LPAR to close the status window. So there's no one page that shows you all the status. Now we're just looking to make sure everything got moved from the HMC GUI, so we'll have to go back to a different view to see that all the partitions got successfully moved. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. For more information, you can contact me via email at bobf@us.ibm.com, and let me put that up on the screen here.